Hi there, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to sell a service on Fiverr in Zambia. This was actually written as a post on my blog. To learn more or read it, click the link in the description below. What is Fiverr.com? Fiverr.com is an online digital platform selling jobs, services and goods, beginning at a cost of $5. Fiverr obtains almost 4.7 million visitors a month. Your goal should be to exploit the strong user base of Fiverr to reach out to more people and offer them your services or goods. Any service or job you have on Fiverr is known as a gig. With Fiverr's million user pool, you don't have to think much about promotion and payment management of your gig, as Fiverr does this for you. What you need to do is concentrate on providing high-quality work to keep your ratings running, as reviews provided by your customers would have a major effect on your gig's failure or success. On Fiverr, people provide a range of services ranging from graphics and design, digital media, music and audio, advertisement to everything you could think of. Know that at any price you should sell your song, $5 seconds just the minimum fee. Top Fiverr gig sellers raise more than $50,000 annually by exploiting the site and offering high-quality services. Fiverr in Zambia is suitable for 1. People who enjoy supporting others and simplifying their lives in Zambia. 2. People who enjoy the right to work, to do what they want in Zambia. What skills are required on Fiverr in Zambia? People with in-depth skills in any given area, which they can use to help other people accomplish their assignments or ease their lives. Time required for creating a gig on Fiverr in Zambia. On Fiverr, you can build a gig within an hour. What you need to do is sign up on Fiverr first. You'll need to insert the title of the gig when making a ticket, upload the picture of the ticket, write a summary of the gig, and insert appropriate tags and keywords. Fiverr tips for Zambians. 1. Find your best abilities. The first thing you need to do is sit down calmly and work out the talents you're the most capable at, and stick to their roles before you see some results. For example, if you're a person who can design logos and websites, then in Fiverr you can build and sell those gigs that concentrate on logo development and web design. 2. Do your initial homework before plunging into gig formation. You must do some analysis to ensure the customers are involved in the gig you're going to sell. What if you've got a great idea for a concert, but it didn't sell? To escape such a scenario, you need to conduct the analysis required to consider what consumers are searching for in your niche. 3. Find popular skills-related gigs. One of the easiest ways to see progress with Fiverr is to dig out the popular skills-related gigs, research them, and then model your gig accordingly. The most important figures to look at when researching other gigs are leading title, overview, photograph, targeting, approach, strategy, upsell, strategy. Bonus 4. Creating the title of your gig. Now that you are ready with all the analysis details, hop into the production of a band. Evidently, producing the title here would be the first move. The measures you would take to maximize the title of your gig are as follows. Pick your gig title based on your analysis data model. Use interesting words in the title to ensure that it attracts the attention of your potential audiences and is important to them. If you're providing a contract creating a logo, for example, please avoid using titles like "In 24 hours, I'll build 3 glorious logos," "I would create a free revision technical logos," "I am creating 2 bonus beautiful logos online editable file." All the titles above are finely made, as they contain 2 essential items. Next, they've all got interesting terms like magnificent, competent, beautiful, bonus. Surely these words help attract the interest of the right people. Secondly, they both cater to the most important things that someone who wishes to design a logo is thinking. For example, the first title, 3 24-hour glorious logos, would cater to people in desperate need of a logo. The second title, good logos with free updates, refers to the kinds of people who want the opportunity to integrate their improvements into the logo design. The third title, 2 beautiful logos bonus free editable image, would be appealing to people who have some logo modeling experience and want to modify the logo themselves. 5. Build a picture of your gig. When you are doing initial research, you have to have found that some gigs have stronger images than others that make them really stand out. Shortlist and take inspiration from those photographs when designing your image. Using free online image editing software such as Pixel or Bufunky to create an image of your gig until you're happy with the initial concept. 6. Write the summary of the gig. The overview of the gig plays a significant part in enticing prospective clients to put an order with you. So make sure the explanation of your gig is factual, straightforward and enticing to your prospective customers. Review the descriptions of other top-related gigs to get some ideas and base your definition on them. Mind, don't ever copy details from other gigs, it would bar you. Use theirs just to get inspiration and construct a special definition. Also, make sure you have your gig identified in the right column to retain its relevance. 7. Use the proper tags. Tags play a significant role in higher ranking of your song. Most people don't know the significance, but if you configure your gig correctly using specific tags, it offers you the greatest chance to surpass them. 8. Besides all of the above mentioned points, you need to make sure your work on Fiverr is trustworthy and special. There may be a lot of logo designers out there on Fiverr, but if you're the one who knows your customers' needs and performs the job in the best way possible, then you'll be able to keep them as your customer for a long time. How to make money on Fiverr in Zambia? It's really easy to monetize. If the more customers put orders, the more money you make. Your distribution job affects your customer ratings and directly influences the placement of your order. The basic thumb rule is, the higher the customer scores, the better the commands would be. Fiverr manages all the transfers safely, so you don't have to think about any problems with payment collection. Thank you for reaching this far. Like, comment and subscribe now for more.